Hey, my name is Albert, and I'm a solution engineer here at BetterCloud. I'm going to walk you through what it would look like to build a Google-based offboarding workflow within BetterCloud. Oftentimes, offboarding a user across multiple SaaS applications can be time-consuming and tedious. Did you know it takes on average 9 hours to properly offboard an employee? An automated workflow can streamline this process, give you a lot of time back, and ensure proper compliance. What I've brought you to here is BetterCloud's no-code workflow builder. On the left side, you'll see our library of statements that you can add to this workflow, which include triggers and automated tasks. On the right, you'll see this pre-made workflow that I built using that library. The logic of this workflow is based off of when, if, then logic. In this case, this workflow is saying when a user is suspended in Google, if the user is also on the sales team, then execute these tasks automatically. BetterCloud can essentially automate a manual offboarding checklist that you have now. You can see tasks such as signing them out of sessions, wiping a user device in an MDM, resetting passwords, deleting two-step codes. And further, did you have any data that needs to be transferred over to the manager? BetterCloud can essentially transfer things like calendar events, files, set up forwarding, delegation, and target the manager automatically. Beyond Google, you may have other applications that the user has gained access to while at the company. You can add these statements through the library and create a true multi-SaaS workflow. You can also add some pauses and approvals in this workflow to ensure that data has been properly transferred and reviewed before you go ahead and delete these users' accounts in those applications. Lastly, it's important to have these steps audited upon completion. So BetterCloud offers audit logs that can detail how a user account went through a workflow. Let's check this out for the user, Jane Doe. Jane Doe went through an offboarding workflow pretty recently. And you can see that each of the steps that Jane Doe has ran through were logged here. This can be especially useful if you have to show this to an auditor, in which case you don't have to actually go through all these applications and get those logs and exports. Using BetterCloud, using an automated solution, all these logs are in one place. We hope you enjoyed this session on Google-based offboarding workflows. Thank you for tuning in.